Hello everyone, today I'm going to be simply teaching you how you can fix the "we do not recognize this email" problem on your Yahoo. So y'all might be wondering how you can fix this problem, but it definitely does have a solution to it. And the solution to it is going to be linking your Yahoo Mail into your Google Mail so you can log in with your Google. So it's going to be way easier. So this is going to be a step-by-step video, so feel free to watch the video till the end. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. So first of all, go into gmail.com and log in into a Gmail account and go to settings. Click on see all settings right over here. Finally, go to accounts and import right over here, and then scroll all the way down until it says check mail from other accounts. Click on add a mail, and then basically just enter your Yahoo Mail right over here. All right, once you have added your mail account, and basically just go to Yahoo, and then instead of entering your email over here, go and click on continue with Google, and then finally choose the same email that you had linked with the Gmail. And as you can see, you are successfully into Yahoo with that account. And if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.